e wa kwa of TV so and there e be chemo ka so abeto phone na free pinduoduo ye nti sere ye wa say sister Nancy be che process no na afire maybe any am so mess to aso afiro ye nti Nancy yonko and then na wo ma ahwefo
kwan a ye fa so eto phones ni be free China ne say ye to app na ye friend pinduoduo no so sa app no ye ka say previous ye friend saying content a ye create ye ma moti ase say sa app no open quality gadgets and na say machines a obenya wo ho no nti ye ko so hwe ye na ye so ye na di kan to Oppo a China for quality phone ba ko pa e ba ye no customer ni gin ho e na the next phone na ye san try say ye to ye iPhone 6 obi between say adenti na ye to iPhone 6 oh say e bia enche WhatsApp ni between there bi na ye so enyama hwe because ye mpese e bia ye beba na ye enyama ye kire mo no ye bedada mo there bi nti ye di kind to iPhone 6 no iPhone 6 no so ba ye no bibia ye intact chese yansesa screen yansesa bibia the only issue kakra ye nya ye ne se na ebia etwe no aye den ascratch kakra ena eto aso eto iPhone 13 sa iPhone 13 we e ba ye no pacho chese yansesa hwe wo ho screen ye intact your friend is saying camera section also ye intact chese everything of the iPhone was intact the reason was how did we do it? Kwan ye fa so ye ne say answer na ye beto product no ye di kan e charte supplier no questions bi a ye bisa supplier ne say okay phone na okura no e bia e ye dual sim ana won say your iPhones ni bi wo ho no ma e use two sim ene ye san wo iPhones ni bi wo ho no ma e use eSIM ene ye san wo iPhones ni bi wo ho no ma e use both eSIM na ye fa ne say normal SIM card no nti ye bisa questions we nyina ene ye sa bisa ne say o share phone no omo sesa bibi wo ho ana omo kan no kwere kire yen say omo sesa ahwe wo ho because e kan policy ho say customer back no auto ade free wo nchen na say ebia questions are obisa offer as a product no ho say o kan no kwere kire no because one kan no kwere ankyere no na auto product no or the bag na ha no na later or realize say questions no obisa ye no your friend is saying supplier no yi anu yi anaso odaga na o metimi yi supplier no every site no so nti ye di kan ebisa your friend is saying say o masesa bibia wo phone no so anase dual sim anase eSIM no o maye ngwaye ne say okay phone no first one na ye select ye no maye ti ase say yes sa screen no wo ho ene yes there bi ye mpe no ye pe de yes sa hwe wo ho original screen angasa na na ye wo so ene o si okay o ba ko wo ho no ma eno almost sa hwe wo ho eno nso a scratch ya ye ti say bright slightly used ene ka ya ka chere no say ne ye video of products no nti o san say ne ye video of products no and so wa ya ka chere ne say is there any charge bia or the beka ho because sometimes no bia supplier no on sisan hwe wo ho a o be charge you extra but this time around supplier we want charge you extra nti yet ne kasa ye bibia wie ye no o de phone no ebre ye de fa nti ye de fa no phone ne buy yes so ye investigations share ye share camera no nti say opese o check say bia iPhone na wo toye no camera section ne ye correct and I say bibia wo phone no omo nsesan ya okọ setting ho no ma wo be hu an indication say bia screen ya sesan ana say bia camera na say bibisa ana face ID ne ya sesan but ye ya check bibia everything was intact yes was system your friend is saying ba obetimi dia check and na say even ubisa supplier na supplier net me send your friend is saying certain side na obetimi dia check was system iPhone 4 system so say phone no ye original na say enye original nti ye check ye na bibia ye intact no ye nya atofo bebre mo request say ye nto sa phone CB mo nti ye di kan ato bi kra enam kwan so ba.
All right, instead of answer chichi no so person to ade $15. These are the basic steps away then we follow. The first of all, you have to get a seller. Now if you bisa the necessary questions now, she said no check you no. We bisa question be a person who for app phone one. Then so be more convinced to continue to buy it and after the yeah, but say no can there are some phones who have been no pinduoduo, and I say we as phones have been no pinduoduo no 90% and 80% no will have parts being restored. Say be a change screen and I say be a change body and I say camera and I say be a change face ID right. And no it tends to be as refurbished. Phone go a brand new and then a one also there. Trust me, with the compare Ghana, you see say the same price range. But most of the times no, you prefer say be go for a lower, wait go for refurbished. But you're lucky, not your supplier and the phones, maybe a second hand phones, but you change it be our own there. Fine. Now I think what to through. Aside say all business suppliers, so there are certain ways to do so. I'll wait me. I first to confirm say phones me okay. Until we come review session now. Pinduoduo, one thing I like about them, when they say reviews, they provide solid reviews. Ain't say phone I'm toy now. I'm picture videos, any pictures right there. I'm up to reviews. So into quite sometimes so like go how over 4.5k reviews. And to which my go through some say salary or legit. And the Pinduoduo there, trust me, person to phone you can go ahead and buy phones from there, but you have to know your checks very well. And what is obi out of phones and your papa for Pinduoduo?
So funny.
Yeah, me and Kasami said that my top phones are Pinduoduo, but it's mostly AI refurbished. Unya say be fake and visa. But agents be now or use you using now you bet me so I pass the phone no. I'm man say be on check it before say you have ship your Ghana. Yeah, that's the process of buying the phone. And another platform so bet me out of phones so where Ideal Fish. Yeah, but Ideal Fish sometimes more complicated kakra. Yeah, I have previous videos about how I'll be follow process. And it's also more about Ideal Fish. I bet my day I checking it out. But make a sakakra so for Ideal Fish. And on the process I say GG platform until any sellers actually, but individual citizens no more China when I'm using platform. To say my phone I'm person mentor mark or Ideal Fish site and so yes, and say me person mentor phone I just go and list with the details I may add them there to Opa. I'll communicate with you then you pay. But Ideal Fish most of the times you always have to get a middle person in China to help you out because we have and we verify say there are scammers over there. In the end of platform to say Pinduoduo now be legit with me at all straight ahead and to go more into Ideal Fish now. There are a lot of tons of phones or tons of products over there with me I fetch it from Ideal Fish as well. Yeah. But and then focus more on Pinduoduo. And then your phones on your other gadgets will also with me at all free Pinduoduo. What gadgets go to my with me as I suggest mom.
Laptops.
Yeah, so laptops, which matter laptop of Pinduoduo. Most of the times when I say second-hand goods, open normal brand is to say HP, Dell, you saw a bit my then. I copy biato. Mac, even MacBook crumple, which one you be free Pinduoduo as well. And
kids iPads.
Yes, an iPad, tablets. So then. Which when you that's none of the product tablets.
Yes.
Yeah, until your tablets I also started tablet business for any phone cry. Until you bit my time on cry, I'm double game. Open funny business so. And that's the your list of suppliers so high. Open say fuller and I say you can come to us, then we help you purchase them. Yes. Maybe as a process we newer you face over need some guidance and as a guidelines. Yeah, so you bet me I answer still with the process no needing. Yeah, purchase more. Yeah, and after so your other products which is say charges, phone accessories, and so open phone accessories, quality ones. I bet me I could Pinduoduo. And I even cry cases, phone cases, phone protectors.
Even phone screens.
Phone screens, phone be say na person we on Tony screen and so we be free Pinduoduo. They deal with this gadgets, phones. Recently, Obi machine as a matter some MacBook, some cable be connected a screen. And to make sense of it, everybody they tested how quality it is. And I even normal camera, digital cameras. yeah and also bit my dey actor for pinduoduo and pinduoduo site bi a you bit me actor a lot of gadgets I dey afro nti say dey ka no say uhia assistance about say be a person to phones and any other gadgets be a you can come to Fufu Impulse na ya boa yeah process no sometimes no it will cost time you go through some process be you be chat suppliers so be contact some various suppliers to see how say open compare prices na dey ade you say be a who product be now you okay say oba koto obe ko site no so no say one read here and one translate two sites in here you end up buying phone that doesn't even have a Wi-Fi. Almost phones they will and support Wi-Fi. Even though they are called phone or you say price me say neighbor for but unim say I now turn and support Wi-Fi. The basic combo and support this SIM. I don't know so much share on your phones and say phone force home there. And there are some phone baby or pinduoduo you have to know say what be suppliers need. So one out there baby no say support Wi-Fi support SIM. Because some of the phones and supporting Wi-Fi and supporting SIM. One person will go through this hassle, so I will be to my then about Fufu Impulse night then. Yeah, Tomo. Who was on for Bisuka?
But you get back why you see a set with say, if you are all top at the end, but your selection of your friends products now auto, you won't have because of what pinduoduo. Ebi enye say ebia product esan say your phone now auto need this phone no pay any wo there be some of them no omo will list of maybe this phone comes with phone way anyway na way name but your translation ni ye and sana why your payment because sometimes no one your translation ni ya ebia na phone no ebia the parts be na wo akoto aba
yeah no obi send me picture segmento a camera so camera no DJI omo camera no it's somewhere 8,000 Ghana cedis and I send me image no on the pinduoduo we bit my image search but me call am search products no me the image na search you but I didn't get the actual products no not knowing say the case in the buy product case never yes say products na case in the buy products so that so kese but case so you might think say oh talk the actual product not knowing say auto there until you toy who says product case in stickers and you have to buy the actual product no you am toy actually is some quite research here who says product no cost somewhere 8,000 Ghana cedis a camera ultimate handle ni say some cute one be so hence product go ha unya who image na it doesn't mean say and no ngasa akoto internet ka say wait me a chat supplier no and I say your translation na who say this is the actual thing that you are buying and you are going for yeah. And every video that we see as say I check come because about top product of pinduoduo no you share any say one kasa with my then after our product for the first time now face so unya supplier bi na or your quality don't hesitate to share us the link yeah the business yeah if you supplier bi no you good I will my share links and say be we so bad now support them to be no I will my call yes I then I have to the same product na then after see you next time bye. Thank you.